2022's biggest plans in artificial intelligence breaking. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we see the world, and it's only going to get better. Today's AI is very different from the early concepts of AI. Today's AI can advise on the treatment of a severely injured person, diagnose and prognosis an illness, or help you find your car in a car park. But this is not the end. Many companies are working effortlessly to make more, new, and efficient changes in the field of AI. I know you might not have the idea of it, but don't worry. Join us as today's video will take you through how AI can grow and be used in the future. Welcome to the AI universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech and the trends, but also the vital difference between the haves and the have-nots. What are the most promising plans being made for artificial intelligence of 2022? As artificial intelligence, AI, becomes more and more prominent in our everyday lives, it is no surprise that we have seen a surge in the number of AI-related projects launched on Kickstarter. There are top AI projects in almost every category. But which are the most promising projects, and what do they have to offer? Whether or not you are a backer, it is important to know which AI plans are most likely to succeed. The AI projects that are most promising in 2022 are those that will have the most impact in our lives. The projects that will be successful in 2022 are those that can solve a problem or make life easier. The major fields in which AI plans to create an impact are: Number 1. Drug screening. The potential to predict the onset of certain diseases like Alzheimer's disease and cancer is great. This capability is also expected to reduce costs and improve the lives of many patients. Manufacturers are focusing on developing new and enhanced products to make a breakthrough in this field. They are leveraging various artificial intelligence technologies to analyze large amounts of data and optimize drugs to treat various diseases. Number 2. Classification. Machine learning is providing a huge boost to the medical imaging sector. The deep learning segment is expected to increase at a rapid pace over the next 5 years. This can be attributed to a rise in the adoption of deep learning by research and development, R&D firms, and hospitals. The imaging market is expected to grow from $37.97 billion in 2021 to $56.53 billion by 2028. Number 3. Facial recognition. Face recognition is a powerful biometric technology that has started finding its way into banking and government applications. It is also used in advanced manufacturing and scanning applications. It is expected to be used in consumer applications by 2025. Number 4. Personalized medicine. Data mining concerning genomic research is an exciting application of artificial intelligence. AI is providing an invaluable service to physicians by analyzing patient data and gaining insights that may lead to new and better treatment methods. Except for these things, what more can AI bring into our lives? Artificial intelligence, AI, is basically everywhere nowadays. It's in our phones, our cars, and our homes. You can even say that it's in the air. After all, it's the technology that powers the drones that are ever more frequently in the news. The global artificial intelligence market is highly fragmented and extremely competitive, with an ever-increasing number of startups and an unprecedented number of products entering the market in the next 5 years. According to Accenture, AI will generate $1.2 trillion in business value by 2022. AI will improve analytics and make it easier to find the right information faster. AI will also make it easier for workers to collaborate and will reduce repetitive tasks. For example, there are AI systems that are already fighting cybercrime, making self-driving cars and drones, screening patients, and even helping doctors discover new drugs. In addition, there is a lot of focus on how AI will replace jobs. In reality, AI will create new jobs, just as it has done since the Industrial Revolution, and in fact, many high-paying jobs will require AI. One of its biggest plans is to shape the future by improving productivity, advancing the discovery of new knowledge, and developing consumer-friendly products and services. AI can revolutionize the way businesses, governments, and individuals perform their duties. Due to its capabilities of self-learning and exponential power, there will be a demand for artificial intelligence, AI technology in the near future. More than $3.3 trillion will be invested in AI by 2035. Which is about 1/5 of total IT investment over the same period, according to a joint forecast by Gartner and IDC. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, offer new opportunities to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and increase operational efficiencies. AI-driven automation may be one of the most tangible ways to drive digital transformation. However, challenges associated with the emerging technologies remain for most generations, and the chief reason for this is understanding how to apply these technologies in the context of their business and applications. It seems to have many big and revolutionary plans for the future, but in the urge to improvise, what are its effects on society? In the world of technology, AI is rapidly becoming a pervasive trend that's reshaping the very fabric of our daily lives. Currently, many companies are investing heavily in AI technology as they attempt to tap into vast amounts of data to improve their service and products. As experts have predicted, AI will continue to develop rapidly and will most likely affect everything from healthcare to transportation to financial services. As AI technology continues to spread, there is no doubt that it will fundamentally change the way we live our daily lives. By 2026, the technology will have left its mark on almost every industry, making an even bigger impact than it is today. AI will have a transformative effect on the industry, as it will develop a variety of applications that will eventually integrate it into everyday life. But what kinds of applications are we talking about? One of the most likely developments is the creation of an artificial intelligent robot that can pass for humans. Of course, this will depend on what kind of intelligence the machine has, but it is certainly within the realm of possibility that artificial intelligence will exist in the not-so-distant future which can perform all human tasks. And then some. If a machine can replace an employee, then businesses have no choice but to provide it with all the resources it needs to do its job well. Whether the robot will be replacing humans or not is still in question, but the very fact that this AI is almost here should be enough to give us a moment of pause. The plans and ideas that will be most successful in 2022 are those that have a goal and an ambitious timeline. The projects with the most impact on our lives are those that can solve a problem or make life easier. Lastly, the project should have open source code available for developers to use and build on their own. However, it is exciting to think about the future of artificial intelligence and what it will look like in just a few years. We hope this video has given you some ideas on how to think about technology and how it could be used in your own life. AI is already here and changing the way we interact with technology. We will be sure to give you the updates on new developments in the future. But apart from our thoughts, what do you think about AI and its plans about the future? Let us know in the comments below. Also, make sure that you smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching.